Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate your Hey Google option into a Lenovo Tab P11 2nd generation. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next up, in the top right corner, we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose here Settings. Now go into Google Assistant option, and in this menu find Hey Google and Voice Match option. Go into, and now tap here on the switcher to activate your Hey Google. Now you give access to your assistant, tap Next, and here I agree. How you can see Hey Google is ready to use, tap Continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.